Good morning, my dear friends. Namaste and happy Sunday. Sunday Funday. Woohoo! Who is excited? Welcome to your morning yoga, rise and shine. No matter what yesterday was like, birds will always start the new day with a song. And I'm inviting you to do the same. For this class, my friends, I would recommend to have a yoga block near you. If you don't have a yoga block, maybe a book or a shoe or a box or something that look alike. When you're ready, let's begin. We will begin our practice today in a toe squat. So keep your yoga block or a book in front of your mat. Come into a kneeling position. Tuck your toes under. You can keep your knees hip distance apart and then sink your sitting bones on top of your heels. Hands resting on top of your thighs. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes. Fill up your belly and lungs with air. Hold your breath, open mouth, side out, letting go of everything that doesn't serve you for this practice. Seal your lips, begin to ignite your Ujjayi breath, breathing in and out through your nose, finding a slight constriction in the back of your throat. And taking this time to set a little intention for our day, or maybe just for the practice. Now fill up your belly, fill up your lungs. Hold your breath and an open mouth, exhale, side out. Gently open your eyes. As you inhale, let's sweep the arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, send the arms back behind you, interlock all 10 fingers at your lower back. Can you already feel that nice heat in your feet? Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades, send the knuckles back behind you. And as you exhale, chin to your chest, begin to round forward. Maybe forehead comes to the mat as you're reaching those arms overhead. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, come up. Exhale, shoulders over hips. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, send the arms back behind you, opposite pinky on top. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades, puff up your heart. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips, forehead to the mat, send the knuckles overhead. Breathe in and out. Inhale, begin to make your way all the way up. Exhale, shoulders over hips, let go of your grip. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Hinge forward, find tabletop position, untuck your toes. Ooh, thanks God. And then go ahead and tap your feet, tap your feet. Keeping your knees hip distance apart, open your arms to the outer edges of your mat. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, you're gonna hinge forward, take a wide arm push-up, press up, and then find child's pose. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, take a push-up. Inhale, push away. Exhale, child's pose. 3 more just like that. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep going, 2 more. Last one. And child's pose. Now take a breath in child's pose. Open mouth, let it out. Next inhale, lift you up, back into tabletop position. Tuck your toes under. Exhale, downward facing dog. Glide your sitting bones high up. Place your feet hip distance apart. Your arms, shoulders distance apart. Soften your knees. Find a lot of length through your spine. Shoulders away from your ears. And invite a little bit movement into your downward facing dog. Bending one knee, then the other. Draw awareness towards your center. Engage your core, navel towards your lower back. Find stillness in your downward facing dog. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, sweep your right heel up high, single leg down dog. As you exhale, bring the gaze forward, step your right foot in between your hands. Now here you might want to use your yoga block, so keep it near you. Sink nice and low, take a breath in. And as you exhale, pyramid pose, you're gonna straighten that right leg and fold over. So you can bring the hands onto a block if that feels better. Inhale, rebend into the right knee, sink nice and deep, low lunge. Exhale, pyramid pose. One more just like that. Inhale, sink low, low lunge. Exhale, pyramid pose. Inhale, rebend. Stay here with your exhale. Gather your core. Next breath in takes you up into high crescent lunge. And as you exhale, use your legs to sink nice and deep. Energize your fingers. Relax your shoulders. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, open up, warrior two. Pivot the back foot parallel to the back of your mat. Open your arms. Lift your heart, inhale. Exhale, go deeper into your warrior, keeping the right knee on top of your right ankle. Next, inhale, reverse warrior. Send the right arm across your ear line, sliding the left fingers down the left leg. Lengthen out of your waist. Take a breath in and out. Inhale back to warrior two. As you exhale, straighten that right leg. Send the hips to the back. Reach forward, tick-tock your arms. Find triangle pose. If you want to use your yoga block here, place one hand onto your yoga block. Lengthen up. Spiral your belly and chest skyward. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, back into warrior two. Sit nice and low. And as you exhale, half moon pose. Begin to hinge forward. Sprinkle your right fingers down to the floor or to a yoga block. And then float the left leg all the way upward. Bring the heel in line with your hip. Stack your shoulders and extend your left arm up. Tuck your tailbone under. Ignite your core. Take a breath in and out. Bring the gaze down and step your left foot all the way next to the right. Inhale, halfway, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Let go of your head and neck. Inhale, begin to roll up to standing mountain pose. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, swan dive, fold forward, guiding with your heart. Next, inhale, chair pose. Bend your knees, sink nice and low. Sweep the arms in line with your ears. Weight into your heels. Full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, hands to heart. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Halfway lengthen. Inhale. Exhale, let's take our vinyasa flow. High to low plank. Find your plank pose. Drop to your knees. Lower halfway, chaturanga. Upright facing dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Take one cycle of breath. Let it out. Inhale, left heel up high, single leg, down dog. Exhale, step the foot in between your hands. Sink into your low lunge. Take a breath in. Exhale, pyramid pose. Straighten that left leg and fold. Inhale, rebend. Try not to move your feet. Exhale, pyramid pose. One more. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, pyramid pose. Inhale back into low lunge. Stay here with your exhale. Gather your core. Next inhale lifts you up. High crescent lunge, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, find dip in your pose. Draw the left hip back. Push the left hip forward. Sink a little bit lower. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, open up. Warrior two. Strong arms, reaching your fingers to the opposite directions. Lift up your heart, breathe in. Go deeper as you breathe out. Inhale, reverse. Left arm across your face, sliding the right fingers down the right leg and pressing that left knee forward so you feel a nice fire in your left quad. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back to warrior two. Exhale, straighten that left leg. Send the hips to the back. Reach forward, find triangle pose. Trikonasana. Use a yoga block here if you want. Lengthen up. Tug the tailbone under. Make sure that you are not collapsing here. So open the heart. Take a breath in and out. Inhale back to warrior two. Rebend into your front knee. Exhale, half moon. Reach forward. Sprinkle the fingers down to the floor or to a yoga block. Bring your right heel in line with the hip. Right fingers reaching skyward. Keep the gaze wherever feels comfortable to you. Keep your core nice and tight. Full cycle of breath. Now bring the gaze down and step your right foot next to the left. Inhale halfway, find length in your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Roll up to standing. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach the arms up. Gathering all the energy around us. Exhale, swan dive, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Bend your knees, sink nice and low. Lift your arms. Stay for one cycle of breath. Hands to your heart, inhale. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway, lengthen, glance out. Exhale, your vinyasa, step back to plank. Drop to your knees or not. Lower halfway or all the way, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Take a full cycle of breath. Let it go. Inhale, come high to your toes. Ripple forward, find plank. Now bring your feet to touch. Bring the right hand to the center of your mat and pivot both of your feet to the right. As you inhale, sweep your left arm up. If you need to modify, you will lower down to your bottom knee. Lift your hips as high as you can. Allow your right arm to shake. This is how we build strength. When you are shaking, lift the hips higher. Breathe for 3, 2, 1. Look down. Ground your left hand. Pivot to center. Then pivot your feet to the left. And sweep the right arm all the way skyward. Lift your hips nice and high. Lots of energy through your right fingers. Find your breath. And hold. 3, 2, and 1. Look down, ground your right hand down, back to plank pose. From here, hinge forward and lower all the way down to your belly. Open your arms to the outer edges of your mat. As you inhale, you're gonna lift up into a high cobra. Bring the heart forward. Exhale, drop your right shoulder down and twist. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop your left shoulder down and twist. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, right shoulder down. Inhale up. Exhale, left shoulder. Inhale, lift up. Stay here in cobra pose. Try to relax your glutes completely and bring the heart forward. Long neck, gaze in front of you. Just close your eyes for a moment. Tune inward into your heart. Reconnect with your intention. Breathe in your intention. And again, let it out. Beautiful. Slowly lower all the way down. Hands underneath the shoulders. Push the earth away. Find a tabletop and then into child's pose. Big toes to touch. Knees out wide. Forehead resting on your mat. Take a moment here to recenter, reground, reconnect. Lift your gaze, make your way all the way up into a comfortable seat. You can cross your legs. Go ahead and plug your hands right into your heartbeat and close your eyes. Fill up your heart and every single cell in your body with gratitude. Take a deep, long breath in through your nose. Feel this gratitude spreading throughout your body. And then open mouth, exhale, side out. Release your gratitude to the universe. Gently open your eyes. And again, let's applause to ourselves. Woohoo! 1 week sticking with our practice, showing up for ourselves. High five, my friend. I'm so proud of you. Now, I want you to remember one small positive thought in the morning can change your entire day. So I highly encourage you to keep showing up for yourself every single morning. Keep stepping on your mat, keep igniting, bringing that high vibe, beautiful, positive energy and thoughts so you can enjoy a way happier and healthier life. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for sharing your present and practice this entire week. Now, I encourage you, try another week, Monday through Sunday, for all levels of yoga. So add a little bit more spiciness, a little bit more fire into your morning. And if you see if it's not for you, you can always come back to this week again. Again, thank you so much. All my love and gratitude your way. I hope to see you again tomorrow on Monday. Bye-bye.